Hi guys, let's make some vanilla lemon cookies. So first of all, you'll need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of icing sugar, 1 cup of butter, 3 egg yolks, some lemon juice with some zest, and some vanilla extract. So this is a recipe that's often baked as a Czech tradition for weddings, Christmas, or other big events. Let's do it! So on your countertop, pour the flour, add the butter. I had to cut it in little pieces since it was still pretty solid coming from the fridge. Add the sugar and the egg yolks, for which I made a little hole so it doesn't spill everywhere. Add the lemon juice and the vanilla extract. Now it's time to get dirty. First I mix the ingredients with a knife a little bit, and then I'm using my hands. So with your hands you knead the dough until you're able to get a nice smooth ball as a finish. Once your dough is done, put it away in your fridge for around 1 hour. After an hour, when the dough is nice and firm, with a pastry roller, roll out a 3mm thick sheet. Use some flour so it doesn't stick to the roller or the counter. Now it's time to cut out the forms you'll need. Here I'm using a 5cm wide circle to which I'll be sticking the flower shapes on top. Put them on your tray, which you'll have greased prior to that. Preheat your oven at 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius and let them bake for around 8 to 10 minutes. Put the circles aside, and now with the rest of the dough I made another ball which I rolled out to make another sheet of 3mm. Now I cut the same amount of flowers that I had of circles and put it again on a greased tray. Once the flowers are on the tray, with a little circle mold, I cut out the middle of the flowers. Here I had some leftover dough to make another shape, so I decided to make some teddy bears. When putting on the tray, you want to make sure that the shapes are approximately the same size so they are baked evenly. Again, have your oven preheated at 370 Fahrenheit or 185 Celsius and bake them for around 5 minutes or until they're golden. You want to check them quite often since they're more easily burned. Now, with a sifter, sprinkle some icing sugar on the flowers or shapes that are gonna go on the top. Now, with the tip of a knife, spread out some strawberry or field berry jam on the circles and add the flowers on the top. And I did the same thing with the teddy bears. And voila! And here you have them, super quick and easy and cute cookies that are good for absolutely any occasion. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you next week.